Okay, guys, get ready. Yeah, I got ready. I got some video for you today to show you the Cort factory tour factory. Yeah, full tour to Cort Guitar factory. It's located at the Surabaya, Indonesia. Yeah, so we start now.
Since 1973, Cort has been producing quality guitars that are sold around the world. Over that time, their guitar production methods have evolved. However, today, as it did over 4 decades ago, a great guitar always starts with great wood. At Cort Guitars, the first step in the production process is drying the wood to be used in each instrument. After a highly regulated kiln drying, Cort stores the wood for over a year to assure proper climate acclimation. Quality control inspectors check the progress to determine when the wood is ready to be utilized in production. Next, the wood is cut to size, preparing it to start its long transformation into a great sounding guitar. Many models feature special exotic wood tops that are glued on at this early phase. Cort uses specialized machinery to apply the proper pressure to assure a tight bond. On neck-through body models, the body wings are adhered to the necks using the same method.
Factory fact: the Cort Electric Guitar Factory has over 2,000 employees. A majority of the factory team has been building guitars for 10 years or more.
Cort uses modern technology in a careful blend with traditional guitar building skills to produce its guitars. After the Cort R&D team hand designs a model, it is meticulously plotted, allowing the handcrafted personality of the initial creation to be captured and replicated consistently using computer-aided equipment. The model shape and elaborate contours of the bodies are crafted using a specially adapted CNC machine. Initially, the body shape is cut out starting with the back of the guitar. Then, other areas like the belly cut and the electronics cavity are cut. The body is then flipped, and the top area is cut to shape. This process uses up to 8 different cutting tools.
Factory fact: between this factory and their acoustic guitar factory, Cort has a production capacity of over 1 million guitars per year, making them one of the largest producers of guitars in the world.
Fingerboards on Cort guitars feature various inlay options ranging from simple to ornate. In each case, the process starts with the precision cutting of the fingerboard. This is done using specially designed compact CNC machines for maximum accuracy. While many other factories purchase generic inlay designs from an outside supplier, Cort uses inlay materials ranging from abalone and mother of pearl to plastic and exotic woods. These materials are laser cut right here in the factory. Another important part of the fingerboard preparation is cutting the fret slots. Perfect fret position is critical for an instrument's performance and tuning stability. This machine, along with a highly skilled craftsman, ensures an exact result. With a single pass, it cuts all the slots, including the perfect position for the nut. The next step is the installation of the inlays.
This one is to install the inlay. Yeah,
Cort's most experienced workers.
inlay.
Now, the fingerboard is ready to be installed on the neck. It is carefully positioned, clamped, and allowed to bond fully. The correct installation of the frets are a very important part of the guitar production process.
Installing the fret.
This 3-step process begins with the initial installation of the frets. Then, the frets are machine pressed for maximum stability. Finally, a highly trained member of the Cort team inspects each fret to assure that it is fully seated and fine-tunes as needed with hand hammering.
Factory fact: each guitar must pass 10 different
It's
detailed
got a lot of
inspection
job
processes, conducted by one of 15 quality control supervisors.
for the beginning stage.
Now that the vital initial construction is complete, the guitars move into the finishing process. This starts with a craftsman sanding the final shaping of the guitar's body and neck. This process uses a combination of traditional equipment, new technologies, and handcrafting. Once again, at this point, additional quality control steps are taken before the instruments are ready for painting. For many guitars, the next step is hand staining.
Most worker is
with exotic wood tops, as it will
ladies.
accentuate the look of
Yeah.
special woods, like flamed and quilted
Females they are more precise.
For other colors, the painting process includes a visit to the paint booth.
and more be careful.
This is where highly experienced painters will apply various colors, including
So a lot of female worker.
The next few steps is the application of clear coat. This brings us to one of the most impressive areas in the Cort factory. Here, you will see hundreds of gorgeous guitars moving on a carefully timed conveyor. This high-tech painting department uses electrostatic technology to assure an even, durable finish,
This is
while
for
allowing
gloss,
it to be as thin as
for
possible.
gloss,
This
spray
thin
for
finish
the
is
gloss
important
body.
to allowing the guitar to sound its best while also looking
So they can
its best.
spray many guitar in one time.
After each guitar is allowed to fully dry, it is moved into the buffing department. The first step is to hand sand the guitars using a very fine sandpaper. This is the start of a process designed
Buffing.
to maximize the look of the final finish. Next, the guitars pass through an automated buffing machine. Moving towards a flat and flawless finish, the guitar is inspected, then moved along to the hand buffing area, where several stages of buffing are done as the guitar starts to achieve its full potential.
Factory fact. Some guitars take 45 days or more to go through the production at the Cort Electric Guitar Factory.
Because quality matters, Cort has its own pickup shop, where a majority of the pickups used in Cort guitars are produced. By producing them in-house instead of outsourcing like so many others do, they can control the sound and more accurately match their pickup specs with the model that they will be applied to. Many factors impact a pickup's sound, including the number of winds, wire used, and magnet selection. Another critical sonic step is a process called potting. In this process, a pickup is submerged in wax to provide important isolation. The amount of time and pressure used in this process impacts the sound and performance of the pickups. Cort personally manages each and every step of the pickup production process.
Factory fact. Pickups receive up to 9,000 winds of the appropriate pickup wire to achieve the desired sound.
Each guitar receives additional detailed attention as it moves towards the final steps. The frets are leveled, dressed, and polished to assure great playability. Then the guitar moves into the assembly department. Premium Cort guitars utilize a cellular assembly methodology, meaning that one highly trained technician will handle all assembly steps for one guitar. With this method, the worker takes full ownership of the final building process on that guitar. After assembly, each guitar will go through two different inspection processes. The first includes an in-depth setup, making sure that everything works correctly and that the instrument plays well. The second focuses on inspecting all aspects of the instrument. From the careful selection and treatment of the wood, to a balance of traditional building, computer-guided accuracy, and hand craftsmanship, Cort Guitars delivers on a factory that rocks. Uses inlay materials ranging from abalone and
Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. So that is a short video. Just want to show you on the Cort factory's tour. How they make the guitar. And for your information, we are still open as usual for guitar store. Kita masih buka seperti biasa, kecuali hari Isnin kita tutup ya. Hari Isnin, Monday is our off day, so Monday we are closing. We close for the rest. The other day we open as usual from 10 a.m. to 7, yeah, 7 p.m. So, but if you got any changes, we will let you know. All right. So the MCO, you can order anything from us. If you have hesitated to come to the store, you can just give a phone call to us. Just contact us via phone or email or just a website there, Facebook. You can contact us. Anything you need, we can send to you for the Klang Valley. Klang Valley, we can send to you FOC if any purchase of 15 get above, right? You want to buy anything, we can send to you, yeah? For the Klang Valley only, yeah? Klang Valley, which is including the until Subang, yeah, there. Subang is just considered still Klang Valley, yeah? So thank you very much. Just now I'm showing you the video of a Cort making of Cort guitar, electric guitar in the factory in Surabaya, Surabaya, Indonesia, which is have about 2,000 over workers there. Workers, yeah. So from time to time, I will update you more about how the guitar making on the acoustic side, and so on. Also, some how they make classical guitar, and then how they make the guitar, the technique of spray, they put the inlay, and how the wood be joined, the neck and body been joined, dovetail, all this dovetail, set neck, through neck, all these things. Yeah? So you can follow our Sembang Santai program, yeah, on the afternoons and almost every day, yeah. Okay, itu saja. Thank you very much, ya, semua. Selamat ber-MCO, ya. Selamat ber-MCO. Take care and goodbye to you.